Did you know you could be slowly killing your engine by using the wrong type of oil? In this very short video, and trust me, I promise to keep it short, I'll be explaining what the API ratings on the engine oil means. Alright? For every gasoline engine, if your engine is a petrol engine, make sure you get an engine oil with the right rating. So what does API mean? API simply means American Petroleum Institute. It's a body that regulates the specifications of the engine oil. Why I decided to do this video was I went into a filling station. I'll be showing you the video on the screen right now. You can see the API rating of this particular oil. And I also did a very quick question on the social media page. I asked if anybody knew the danger of using this oil, and not just one person answered me. So I thought to do this video to just explain what it means, because sometimes we assume and thinking that everybody knows this, but unfortunately just a few know. So you might be asking, so what does the API rating mean, and why should I be bothered? So, the auto manufacturers use these ratings to make sure the oil meets a particular specification, performance. You know, engines vary. There are different types of engines out there, and the environmentalists also have been putting up pressure on the manufacturers to make sure they reduce emission. Let me show you a quick picture here. This was from way back in the early days of auto manufacturers. So you can see here that the earliest API rating was SA. This was for engines made in the 1930s, then SB, then SC, all the way to SN. So right now we're in SP. For example, you can see this is P. So, and P is for engines made from 2020 and above. So for example, like I said earlier, I went into a filling station and I saw the engine oil with SG rating. So if you look closely here, SG is quite outdated. It's for engines built from 1993 backwards. And if you look under here, you see the word obsolete, meaning it's no longer, it's outdated. So please make sure you avoid any oil with the rating from SH all the way back. And if you're going to even get an SL and SM, please make sure your engine falls within this range. If you're driving a new car, let's say 2021, 2022, please make sure you get an SP oil. Something like this. Okay? This one here has a rating of SN and SM, meaning that it's for within 2011. Alright? This one is also an SP. This one right here is an SN. Okay? So with the chart I'll be sharing on the screen, so you can see it clearly, you can see that it starts all the way from SA, goes to SB, SC, D, SE, SF, GH, J. They omitted some values. There's no O, because I guess they didn't want to confuse O with 0. So that's why after the SN they moved to SP. Alright, so always check that. And if you also want to double check, you can check your owner's manual to see the right API rating for your engine. The ILSAC is another rating also. I'll be explaining this in another video, but it's also another way of categorizing, telling you the specification of oil to get. This was formed, I think, by a consortium of manufacturers, Ford, and some of the Japanese manufacturers. They came together and formed this union. But API is more of an independent body, and I think they also base their specification off the API. Alright, so next time you go to get an oil for your car, please make sure you look out and check out the API rating of the oil. In the next video, I'll be showing you other values on the engine oil you should also check out for. The 5W30, what does it mean? There's a 5W20, what does it mean? There's a 5W20, and this is a 20W50. I promise to keep this video short, so if you love this video, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.